Go ahead. Oh, dude, that's so gross looking.
Eat it.
Eat it. Tomorrow we're doing the Indy GP. What's the name of the race?
It's Pumpkin Dash.
Pumpkin Dash, not your mommy's race. Yeah. As part of it, we wanted to have like a bunch of like little random things to do. So like, my wife bought a bunch of pumpkins, and we're gonna be smashing them with drones. I picked up this high-speed camera. Not really a high-speed camera. It's an FS 700. It shoots at 1,000 frames per second. So as part of that, we also decided to invest in potato cannons. And so Pizzy has made his own little creation here. Jake borrowed one from a friend, and so tonight we're going to be testing them, and then tomorrow we're going to be trying to hit quads out of the air with them. So Pizzy, you want to break down your device here? Pizzy creations are always just the best. Like, I can already see so many things that I just love on here, so I want to see more.
So basically, it's just a 2-foot, 2-inch diameter, 150 PSI. All right, so there's the gauge. Now, this is just a simple ball valve. Anyway, all right, we'll just stop at 70. So there's now 70 PSI in this back tube right here. This front tube, I went ahead and I put a
silencer,
a green laser on it. Man. Super bright, yeah. So now to fire it, all you need to do is really just pull back as fast as possible on here. So I went slow at first.
There's like smoke coming out the end.
Yeah, it's just compressed air, yeah.
So with these toys here, we're going to fashion some potato cannon things. We've got some other things that we're going to shoot. We're just going to go in the garage and just shoot it out into the driveway into like a piece of plywood or something, because it is dark. I'm gonna say it now, like it is only 8:30 out there. It's not like it's super late and we're trying to piss off all our neighbors or anything like that, but we are being conscientious of that, so don't worry. But yeah, so let's get to testing.
Here, look at this. Look how tight that is. Like, it just barely fits in there.
What are you doing?
Wait a second. Let me take cover
here. You don't want to be over there, sweetie.
Alright, watch this. That was just the cap, but that was only 25. It's funny.
My wife is going to be thrilled about this video. I love you.
Dude, this thing is hilarious. It's like 20 feet long. It's so,
what? I like that it's like bent in the middle.
Right. And then he also said, if it blows up, it's not my fault.
So like the idea now would be to like make a box around it.
Oh man, you're so smart, Paul. Actually, can we cut this off? Can we cut these off?
I kind of want to like hover a quad in front of the target and just have you guys go boom and annihilate it in here. Okay, so the theory is that this box will contain the potato splatter. The tater tots, as it were.
You could probably make it edible.
We'll see.
Oh man, this one might just straight fit. Oh my god.
Got a little like pumpkin juice.
It's its own sabot, basically.
Yeah. And you throw that in the fryer, cook it up for about 20 minutes. Get yourself a potato crisp.
So we've got these two lights, getting this nice and bright, and the high-speed cameras back there. Jake is ramming his potato, if you know what I mean.
Perfect form. All right.
Because he's not strong enough to wedge the potatoes, so he wedges the whole cannon instead.
All right. How confident are you?
Oh, what?
Dude, I can't wait to see this.
I had the valve.
Dude, you can't even see anything.
It disappears.
This is what the potatoes look like, by the way.
You can play it slower, right?
No, that is as fast. That's 500 frames per second, and it just disappears. Potato everywhere. That's great.
Dude, it did contain it somewhat. You know what came out was the backwash because it ricocheted.
Oh, here's the big piece.
It ricocheted so much that shit still came out. You gotta replace this though. Oh my god!
Wow. Is that through?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Not the board, but the cardboard.
Dude.
Check this out.
There you go. This was more powerful.
Just blew a hole through the back of the box. Completely voiding out our little
Yeah, right. All of the potato crap
Potato
just went
shield.
down below it or through it.
Oops.
It just disappeared. Dude, that went so much faster than Patrick's.
Oh my god! It kicks back! It kicked back! Was that loud? It was awesome.
It was loud.
It wasn't too loud.
It's not outrageous.
Dude, it kicked back.
I like seeing the laser pointer wiggle. It's nights like these that it's hard to remember that I'm a grown adult, like with a mortgage. Whatever.
Oh, I got it. Oh,
Why
I
is it
got
playing
it.
music?
Samsung puts crap music on all their replays automatically, dude.
That is-
You can't avoid it. Here, let me turn it
Wow,
off.
that's impressive.
It's sideways.
Here, wait.
Plung.
This is
Surprised
just
they were able to
shredded
get
that-
this is 1,000 frames or 950 frames
Dang.
at a higher res too, I think. So here, watch.
Alright, so Pizzy's gonna try his PVC buckshot, and as a target, we're gonna use one of these pumpkins because science.
Oh, because it sees that something's in it. No.
Can't even tell.
It was weak. It was weak.
That would still suck though.
Where's it at?
look at that.
Here it is.
That would not feel good.
I
at
want
all.
to see it on your camera, dude. Can you
No, definitely.
Oh, look. Here it is.
Yeah, so turn it around and shoot it this way, and I guarantee it'll just shing.
Yeah.
What?
It was the same hole, similar to the same hole. I did scoot over a time. Oh my gosh, are you ready? Oh! Look at this, guys. Look at this. Wait, get ready, get ready.
That's way better.
That was awesome.
Oh, he's in the hole.
I can't get out of the hole.
Just stick your fingers in there.
Dude,
You just gotta spell the ABCs.
dude, it won't come out the entry point.
All right. Next target. This guy.
I gotta ram it still. 1 second, Paul.
I don't know why we're doing this, but I want to see what happens when a potato hits a quad. The goal tomorrow at NDGP is to hit a quad basically while it's on the race course, which I think would be freaking hilarious. Like, we're gonna have like 5 quads shoot down the little tunnel, and then we're gonna have both Pizzy and Jake with their respective potato cannons just like firing squad style, trying to hit one of them out of the air, and we're gonna record it all in super slow-mo. It's gonna be awesome. Before we get to that point, we want to know what it looks like when a quad gets hit with a potato. So this quad, most of the stuff isn't working on it. It does fly. We'll see what happens.
Go ahead. I missed. You were bobbing around like a...
Get it?
Yeah.
There's potato shoved up its butt.
It's probably a smell, dude. I saw it hit the
Dude, it's literally got a potato ass. Look at this.
It literally just shredded.
Hey, here he goes. Here he goes.
Look at the PCB.
Yeah. Dude, it's totally in there. Oh my god.
French fry light.
Dude, that's hilarious.
This is Le Duncan, the French fryer, the French fryer.
All right, so we are about to fill a pumpkin with gasoline, which is probably a terrible idea, but
Not fill it.
yeah, not entirely, but just a little bit.
Enough.
And we're gonna light it, and we've got a hole in the side. Hopefully, we'll get some cool flame action.
For the gram.
Wow, look at that goodness.
Now. Be careful.
Here we go.
Dang it.
That was a little disappointing, actually.
Super disappointing.
You look good on my end.
Alright, I pulled the trigger.
You did it? So it's recording?
Alright, we're gonna do it again with more.
Now what do we do?
That was a lot of fun. Now I gotta actually make sure some quads work for tomorrow. Alright, I'm gonna go to bed. Well, I'm gonna go get some stuff done. Go to bed, get up, race. See you tomorrow.